We're installing a switching relay by Taco. It is a Thursday and we are in Dartmouth, Massachusetts. So what we got going on here is we needed to add another zone and another circulator because they're adding some baseboard heat in this Four Seasons room. So this is what we got going on here. I'm going to be using some 14.2 MC. I was going to use EMT, but there's way too much stuff going on in this board. So I got my 120 volt coming in for my switch. I got my normally open coming in for my circulator, and I got XX for my isolated end switch coming from my main Taco board. When I got there was nothing labeled, so all these circulators had no labels, and I always like to leave the job site better than what I found it. So I got all my circulators labeled. I got all my Taco boards labeled, Zone 3, Four Seasons room, Zone 1, first floor, Zone 2, second floor, and I also made sure to write that XX came from my main Taco board, so I brought that from the main Taco board to the other Taco board. We also labeled the switch, circuit number 29, boiler, and if Taco was watching this, if you guys could modify that cover, because these 90-degree MC connectors, when you put those on there, the Taco board doesn't sit flush. It doesn't work very well. So now we're out on another job on an emergency call because this central vac system actually started burning up and the whole house was filling up with smoke. So I took the filter out. The filter was completely charred. Then they had this vacuum perfume cover on top of like the air intake, I guess you would call it. That thing was charred. And then on the inside, the board was burning, the motor was burning. I'm going to show you a close-up of that right now. Take a look at how nasty that was. So we disconnected everything, cut the cord off the central vac, and made sure everything was nice and safe. So if you're in the Massachusetts area, give us a call. We are taking new clients, and we would be happy to help.